Hi, I'm Anna McPherson from the agency and welcome to 13 Miller's Place in Inverness. Let's check it out. Exceptionally appointed throughout, I'm obsessed with this galley style kitchen. The waterfall stone bench tops and the mixed use of materials is absolutely stunning. And I love the way that it connects through to the butler's pantry and laundry. Not only does it have the 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it has its own cinema room and outstanding floor plan. If you're not familiar with the Inverness location, I would say it has to be one of the most highly sought after acreage areas in Yeppoon, and I can see why. Beautiful, tranquil outlooks of the mountains and absolutely quality neighbours. And to top off this beautifully appointed property, how about the 18-metre shed with high clearance, 2 additional awnings, seamless floor finish and power. So guys, there you have it for 13 Miller's Place in Inverness, sprawling on just over an acre with full fencing. If you'd like to know more about this stunning property, please give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.